Alright, so I'm in Sorrento here, as you can see, heading to Capri via the ferry. So the ferry was about 20 euros each way. It should be a 20-minute ride. I used Ferry Hopper to book tickets in advance, which is pretty slick, but you still need to go to the ticket office. It's basically just, reserving your ticket. You don't actually have the mobile ticket in hand. So pretty steep. Just walk down to the port from the Sorrento city center, but should be there just in time to depart to Capri. Right now it's off-peak season. It's pretty quiet in Sorrento and all the Amalfi Coast, but so Capri will likely be very quiet. I've been there before, and so I really wanted to go back, even though it's off-peak season. And really, I don't care too much about the shops or anything like that. I really am going there for the scenery and the chance to see the town again. I like visiting these towns when there isn't as much tourism traffic, and it's free for you to explore in your own way. Made it to Capri. Not too far. Easy ride. Now time to go hop around and check out the scenery. So I decided to go to Capri. The view is great. I decided to walk here. It's a big hike for sure. I had my pizza for lunch, so I was up for the challenge. It also is incredible views, but I think the better play might have been to take the bus to Capri up, and then maybe the stairs down. But nevertheless, as you can hear from my huffing and puffing, I needed a workout. Now even just a little more high up too. So after hiking all the way up there, found out that the road is closed to get to hike to Capri. So had to bail, and now I find myself walking back down. Rather than taking the stairs, I instead took the road along the sea, which a little bit of a fail here, but gonna head to Capri instead and check out the town. So by hiking up, I had to anyways, to get to Capri, you had to basically hike up a hill anyway, so I kind of just came slightly down and was just adjacent to the town. So not the biggest fail in the world, plus got to take in some great scenery with no one around. So I'll cut to the next experience of at Capri. Here's the backside of the island. Capri with the castle at the top of the mountain here. You can't really see it, but right where that tower is, there's a castle. So really needed that Aperol spritz after that. But gonna just head down to Marina Grande, which is right straight ahead down there, to take the ferry back in about 45 minutes. Get it down to made it down to Marina Grande, which is where you get dropped off. It's a pretty easy path. It's only 13 minutes to get up to Centro Center, the center of Capri, and it's well marked and easy to follow. You really don't even need directions, versus I spent about 35 minutes on the hike to try to get to Anna Capri, which ended up being a huge kind of time sink of nearly an hour. But just to get to Capri, it's pretty easy if you're short on time. I only had 3 hours for the day trip from Sorrento, but was able to see plenty, and now made it back down to the port. And the port itself also has shops and restaurants that you can sit and watch the boats come in and go out. So that itself too is partly a town. Okay, on the ferry. Goodbye to Capri.